Hello, my name is Amy. This is my project for Milestone 3, and I hope you like it. Sorry if I'm running my nose. Allergy season, if so, it happens. So bear with me. I apologize ahead of time. Anyways, so a few things that I added here was um, a feature called a print option. So if someone prints it out, they can go about having a history text to be printed for their own log and their own reasons of keeping history of their questionnaires that they had for the AI. So another thing I added was a validate kind of function that handled certain things like seeing the output if the output is empty to go about giving that error. If not, it's sending it. There's a few things I already did on the uh, handling. I did a lot of checks there, but I'm getting a catch method to alert the error if any error comes up on the server side. So for that, that's already handled. For this is what I was doing for the overall printing option. I had to go about mapping it and then going about replacing some of the characters because of the Unicode and certain ways of it parsing on the blob, making sure it's reading correctly. This I did in HTML format. I could have done a text plain, but for that it could be auto formatted that way as well. When it came to printing out, it did the same as it would. So what I did for showing, same idea, I'm mapping it and then I'm going about showing that um, kind of state and outputting it into the DOM. All right, so yeah, so I use that for on change, kind of get, so you can hide and show certain buttons and you'll understand when I actually show it. So yes, first I just want to go back and show you that, yes, I did the handshaking response from the server side to the client. I didn't do login because some people who want to use it is not really tech savvy, not knowing, and don't want to have their history log of their login to be sent as an option. So they just want to access the ChatGPT or AI kind of interface without actually having to log in. So that's how I configured it as a guest. There's dialogues just that alert if anything goes wrong, is console logged, or if so, it is thrown, as you see. And validating on certain things I did. I just want to double check. Yep. So, all right. So here it is. Pretty much I did this. This is my main branch. I did a lot of commits. And I'm going to push it out to my master right after this video. But here is the current deployed application. You can click on it. So if you are like me, I don't want to wait for this to load, I can just go like that. So I can just send this here, submit. This little loader comes up, so that's a new feature that I did, as well as the print method. So I can't click on it more. So do it again. I can't click on it more, so it's cleared. So start keeping the history. Anyways, so you can see that there's the question, that option, if I wanted to go about why not having more. Why is the grass green? Why not? So again, can't click on it. Just have to wait for the response to get to the back end. All right, so you can see that it's getting the first instance in the bottom, in the last prompt on the top, so it's easier for someone. If so, it has to be scrolled on a mobile way of going. So if someone sees in a mobile view, it is like that. Versus if so on a site like this. All right, so another thing I wanted to show you. Help. Okay, sorry for that. Anyways, print. If I print this out, it goes to this here. I can open it and it shows me here. Sorry for the background. But yes, so I was testing it many times over and over again. So you see there was like 10. Um, but I can always go about having multiple like this. And obviously I can't click more than once. So it will give that time to load what it needs to. I can print that out again, go here, and yeah, here it is. And that's what I did for this feature in my project. If I clear this here, my print button's gone. The submit button is handled on the loading option, and the loader of the app prior to it is still there. And that's about it. So I wanted to show you how it would be handled on a mobile phone. So you can see I'm asking the same questions and submitting that. The loader's there, can't tap on it again. And if so, as this is just a web page, you can scroll down and scroll up if you want. Press print, it downloads, go to your downloads, and open it to your favorite software to read your text file. And that's about it. Hope you like it.